What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. We are working with another unit from Luvmehair. It is a 22-inch lace frontal unit, and it is a pre-plucked hairline, but I did go through and you'll see that I plucked it a little bit more for myself. It does have combs all through the unit, and it does have an elastic band. I did not get a smell straight out of the package, and I did go ahead and bleach the knots and pluck the unit off camera. So after that, you can see this is what the hair looks like after I have washed it and everything. It still feels great, just like when it came out the package. It is so soft, you guys. And that is what the knots are looking like once I have done something to it. And that is what my pluck job is looking like on that hairline. So before I do anything with the unit, I'm going to size it up and see how it fits. I was a little surprised that it really just fit really well by my ears. That doesn't always happen. And of course, they sent me the LuvMe goodie bag with the hair pin and all of the combs, the bobby pins, elastic band, whole nine. So I always live when they send a goodie bag. I am going to part my hair. I like to part my hair before I put it on the mannequin head because it helps me get it right where I want it. Reason I am blow drying is because the hair is still a little damp. I did let it air dry. And also, when you blow dry it first, shout out to Erica J for putting this in her video. She said if you blow dry the hair before you curl it, you'll get bouncier, fuller curls. So that is another reason why I'm doing that, as well as making sure the hair is nice and dry. After blow drying, then, I just had to get my part back together real quick. It got, blown in the wind a little bit with all the blow drying. So I'm taking my hot comb. I have it in between 15 and 20, which is like the higher heat settings of this hot comb. If you're interested in it, I'll have it linked below if you need a hot comb. But basically, I am doing this to help me set the hair in the directions that I need it to go for this side part. Once I do that, then I go through with my wax stick, and that's just going to help me lay down the flyaways and just the hairs that are out of place, and also help me keep the hair set in place. And you can see here how it's all starting to come together for us. Curling the back of the wig on my mannequin head, because that's just easier to see what you're doing. It's the back of your head. And I am wrapping the hair around the wand flat. It's going to give us more of a curling iron curl that way, instead of a wand kind of curl when you're twisting as you're wrapping it around the wand. So you can kind of see here, I'm wrapping flat around the wand. And then, I hold it on the wand for about 10 seconds or so on the highest heat. And that's what the back's looking like. I will be curling the front and the sides on my head, but we'll see that later on in this video. First, we got to cut off this lace. I am cutting off the lace before I install the unit. I'm just kind of feeling that way a little bit more right now. Cutting around the ear tabs at this moment, and I did have to cut off the elastic band within the wig because of where it sat near my ear. It just wasn't going to work, so it had to go. Ever since I looked in your eyes, I had one question for you. Tell me if you want me to give you my time. I wanna make it good for you, 'cause you're on my mind. I promise, boy, that I'll be true. You're the perfect one, so tell me. And now we are ready to install, but first we gotta clean up that forehead. I'm using the Got To Be Insta Hold spray. It's the newer spray, one of the two newer sprays. I'm liking it so far. It definitely feels like it dries a little bit faster, and there was less residue from that product. But if you use too much, fair warning, you'll still have some residue left over. Once the wig is installed and dried, I like to tint my lace on my forehead. I feel like there's less of a residue kind of demarcation there for me. That's me though. You don't have to do it that way. Anyways, now I'm curling the fronts and the sides of the hair, mostly curling away from the face and still curling flat to the wand to get the kind of curls that we want. And it's because I'm near the face that I'm mostly curling away from the face. And then, you know, just brush it out a little bit, add some finishing touches. Of course, some layers is going to give you some nice movement and bounce within your curls. So, you know, if you watch my channel, you know layers will be added to pretty much every wig. And then I'm adding some finishing touches with my wand. And there we have it. That is the final look from this Luvmehair. It is a 22-inch standard size cap. The lace color is a medium brown lace and the density is 180% density. So shout out again to Luvmehair for sending me this unit. If you're interested, it'll be linked down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.